Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching News AR. I'm Razik Mohammed. Let's begin. Elon Musk says SpaceX Starlink internet service possibly on track for 500,000 users in 1 year. Elon Musk on Tuesday said SpaceX satellite internet network Starlink recently passed near 70,000 active users and expect fast paced growth in the year ahead. We are on our way to having a few 100,000 users, possibly over 500,000 users within 12 months, Musk said, speaking virtually at the Mobile World Congress trade show in Barcelona, Spain. Starlink is the company's capital-intensive project to build an interconnected internet network with thousands of satellites, known in the space industry as constellations designed to deliver high-speed internet to consumers anywhere on the planet. SpaceX first rolled out the service with a beta program for select consumers for $99 a month, and in the past year has sought regulatory approval to test the network in flight and expand the service to large moving vehicles like ships and trucks. SpaceX last month routed the Starlink has received more than 500,000 orders and deposits so far to date. Although those may not materialize into users, Starlink users base has grown from about 10,000 users in February, Musk saying that this month it passed their strategically notable number of 69,420 active users. The low altitude of SpaceX satellite decreased the latency in its service compared to traditional satellite service, which Musk emphasized latency in the amount of delay in an internet network, defining how much time it takes a signal to travel back and forth from a destination. Latency and download speed are key measures for an internet service provider. The latency for the Starlink system is similar to latency for ground-based fiber and 5G. So we are expecting to get latency down under 20 milliseconds, Musk said. The company is losing money on the satellite antennas that it provides to customers, Musk said, as the hardware costs near $1,300 each, but SpaceX charges users $499. We are working on a next generation terminal that provides the same level of capability, roughly same level capability, but cost a lot less, Musk said. As company leadership has previously stated, Musk estimated Starlink may cost SpaceX between $5 billion and $10 billion to become a fully operational, and then as much as $20 billion to $30 billion in investment over the long term. But SpaceX believe it can tap an even larger market. Estimate Starlink could bring in as much as $30 billion a year, or about 10 times the annual revenue of its rocket launching businesses. Starlink is operational now in about 12 countries and more are being added every month, Musk said. So we have to quit significant partnership with major country telecommunication companies that I like to be able to announce now, but obviously we defer to our partners to make any announcements, Musk said. And we are in discussions with a number of other telecommunications companies to provide Starlink access. Musk also said SpaceX is getting closer to launching next generation versions of its Starlink satellites. So thank you for watching News AR. See you on another news.